Picasso had a quote that I loved where he said, "Computers are useless. They can only give you answers." And I thought that was adorable. But now computers can give you questions. It was amazing. Just last night as I'm working on this next book, I went into an AI, I think it was Claude AI, and I asked it, I said, give me a list of empowering questions. And boom, it just instantly shoots out this list of just like, what would you do if you knew you could not fail? If my fear was removed, what would I pursue? Or what have I wanted long? And I went, whoa, these are really good. This is the shit that people like put into a book and sell thousands of copies about. You could just ask the AI to give you questions. Oh my God. But then the key is you have to answer them. It's not enough to go, oh, wow, look, AI can give me 20 questions. Oh, all right. Anyway, the benefit comes from what you do with them. So I think it's the same to answer your question. You could go ask any AI. And by the way, if you've only tried ChatGPT, go try some others. Go to the one I was doing last night, Claude.ai, CLAUDE.ai. And oh my God, actually just minutes before our phone call, I tried an AI search engine for the first time called Perplexity, Perplexity, and I think it's .com. Oh my God, Perplexity. Somebody just said, oh, check this out. I tried it and oh my God, it gave me like literally my jaw dropped and I was like shouting out loud. I was like, whoa, oh my God, that was way better than I was ever expecting. Like I had given up on search engines as just being crap. And it was great. Sorry, the point is you can ask whether it's a Perplexity type search engine AI or Claude AI, which is just, generates LLM words like ChatGPT does. You can ask it for inspirations, like name 10 marketing, surprising, counterintuitive marketing campaigns a musician could do. And it will probably, actually, I wish I could just try that right now while we're talking, but I'll try it after we get off the phone. It'll probably come up with 9 dumb ideas and one that's actually kind of interesting. But then the point is you got to go do something with that. It's not enough to just keep taking in more information. Anybody can take in information. You have to really, really apply it and do something with it. Which in itself is kind of funny. The definition of modern art or performance art, a lot of things that we call modern art or performance art, people look at it and they go, I could do that. Why is that special? Anybody could do that. I could do that. But they didn't. And that artist did. And that's what makes all the difference. Is that a lot of artists get successful doing things that anybody could have done, but they're the one that did it instead of saying, I could do that. And so I think it's the same with all of these things we're talking about, the marketing ideas. Go have an AI generate marketing ideas for you. One of them might be good. The whole point is you have to be the one that does it.